We are Cyclica. We are a biotechnology company based in Toronto, and we offer the pharmaceutical industry with platforms and technologies to accelerate their drug discovery efforts. Unlike traditional drug discovery companies that focus on target-centric drug design, our approach is more holistic, and we focus on the polypharmacology of the drug, which is all the ways in which a drug interacts with the proteins of the body. We believe that this holistic and integrated approach to drug design will tremendously accelerate drug discovery efforts in the pharmaceutical industry. As a proud Toronto-based company, a proud Canadian company, we're really excited to see Collision happen in Toronto over the next 3 years. We think that's a great testament to the growth of the sector, and we're really excited to be here and announce our new technology, ligand design.
Today, for the first time globally, publicly, I'm so excited to announce our second technology called ligand design. It is the only computational technology that can de novo, from scratch, design new molecules so that they have the right effects while minimizing the wrong effects, all in a computational setting. Taken together, Ligand Express and Ligand Design will enhance drug discovery and increase productivity.
Our technology really augments the capability of scientists and researchers to accelerate their drug discovery efforts, better understand the drugs that they're developing so that patients can get the best drugs possible. A drug discovery that is multi-targeted and holistic will allow for the development of medicines with greater precision and greater efficacy. The early stages of the drug discovery process takes upwards of 7 years, and we believe at Cyclica we can bring this down to 2 to 3 years.